Welcome to Cookin with Hilda. Today, I want to share with you a delicious recipe mixing two of the most delicious ingredients that you can find around the world, coffee and steak. This is New York steak roasted with a coffee rub. Now, to prepare this delicious roast, you will need a New York steak roast. Depending on the size of the roast is going to be the amount of rub that you have to prepare. And to prepare the rub, you will need and mix these all ingredients and cover your New York roast completely until there's not spots left. And after that, let it in your fridge up to 24 hours so this coffee flavor can be absorbed by this delicious roast. And next day, take it out of the fridge and let it come to room temperature before roasting it. Preheat your oven. I like to do it in a low temperature for a longer time, and that gives the steak more time to absorb all those flavors. And leave it inside your oven until it reaches your preference of inside temperature. And when it is ready, bring it out and let it rest for around 20 minutes before cutting it. And let me show you how delicious this roast looks. You see, I told you. Thank you guys for being one more time with me here in Cookin with Hilda. And if you enjoyed this amazing New York steak rub with coffee, give it a thumbs up. See you guys next time.